Юу байцгаана би Ванкуш хамтлагийн гишүүн Ази байна. Энэ жилийн Playtime-ийн албан ёсны эрхтэй Toki application-ы artist playlist-ээр өөрийнхөө сонсох дуртай 10 дуу хуваалцахад бэлэн болсон байна. Энэ жил Ванкуш хамтлаг main stage буюу төв тайзан дээр 7 сарын 5-нд 17 цагаас тоглоно. Та бүхэн өөрсдийнхөө playlist-ийг үүсгээд биднийг хүлээж байгаарай. Тэнд уулзцгаая guys.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets trying to consume some skirts for the eve so I could get some phones. Rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you search know what's up with 213.
So I hooked a left on 21 and Lewis. Some brothers shooting dice, so I said, let's do this. I jumped out the ride and said, what's up? Some brothers pulled some, so I said, I'm stuck.
Since these girls peeping me, I'm gonna glide and swerve. These looking so hard, they straight hit the curve. Want to bigger, better things than some horny tricks. I see my homie and some suckers all in his mix.
I'm getting jacked, I'm breaking myself. I can't believe they taking Warren's wealth. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother, said, damn, what's next?
They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him if they going straight pound for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I best pull out my and lay them busters down.
They got guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. If I had wings, I would fly, let me contemplate. I glance in the cut and I see my homie Nate.
16 in the and 1 in the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make some bodies turn. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate. I laid all them busters down, I let my explode. Now I'm switching my mind back into free.
And they say all I rap about bitches and champagne. You would too if every night you seen the same thing. Money wall to wall, young famous nigga. Spend it all, when you die you can't take it with you. Bottle of rosé if I'm drinking with you. Cause most niggas broke, they bank is injured. Them bitches gon' ride with who they think's a winner. And I'll be smiling in case they take a picture. I'm smoking weed, drinking liquor, make 100 off the show and spend it all on my niggas. When I go shopping, I tell them pick one. Cause they was with me when nobody seen the vision. Always about my business, don't play the cards. I talk to the niggas who deal them. Real flush. Now look up them niggas and baby girl, you'll see us, yeah. I'm gonna spend it all, why wait for another day? I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone. I'm gonna spend it all, why wait for another day? I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone. Pile of hoes in my car, they wanna feel it at maximum speed, never have an absence of weed. Tired of being at the bar, everything Louis V, plus the most exclusive tree in my jar. Making my bank, spending it all, and that expensive shit you paid for, she had it on, she taking it off. Most of these niggas just talk, ain't caking it off. Back in the day money was short, I'm making it taller. You know what I mean? Some say it's a problem, blowing my greens, not saving my collards. No NBA, they say I'm a baller, live for the day, stunned like my father. Wait for another day. I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone. I'm gonna spend it all, why wait for another day? I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I No, I can't take it when I'm gone. Creep on in, on in, on in. See, I'm riding high, high. Whoa. Kinda broke this evening, y'all. So all I got is fire. I got fire.
Player, give me some brew and I might just chill. But I'm the type that like to light another joint like Cypress Hill. I still do be spit loogies when I puff on it. I got some bucks on it, but it ain't enough on it. Go get the S, the T-I-D-E-S. Nevertheless, I'm hella fresh, rolling joints like a cigarette. So pass it across the table like ping pong. I'm gone, beating my chest like King Kong. It's on, wrap my lips around the 40. And when it comes to getting another stogie, fools all kick in like Shinobi. Know me ain't my homie to begin with. It's too many hands to be. Probably let my friend hit bit. Unless you pull out the fat crispy $5 bill on the real before it's history. Cause fools be having them vacuum lungs. And if you let them hit it for free, you hella dumb. Da-dum-dum. I come to school with a Taylor on my earlobe. Avoiding all the thick teasers, skeezers, and weirdos. Got me throwing off the land like what the...
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Change is good for everybody. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Montana. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right fitted in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. When that hate don't work, they start telling lies. Baby work, gon' bust it wide. It's that new money, let the drugs drop. I cut my bitch off when the ball drop. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hoes ain't happy, and happy hoes ain't hate. Better check the situation. I can fix your situation. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I cut them bitches off when the ball drop. New year, new money, then the call.
You making me realize all the time I wasted. Thinking about them bando days, going back to the basics. But I don't really think you know that though, so I thought I'd explain it. In the bando, I hated starving. In the bando, I hated starving. So many late nights at the lock-in, spinning and finessing niggas robbing. When the gang meet at apartments, that's only the gang, it's important. Keeping it real in all fields and clean up your spills, you never get extorted. Then no fame raised, nothing dumb. You niggas can't take nothing from me. Feel like I've been raised in the jungle. My mama ain't raised no diamond. No, I ain't never been a stroke. Shit get sticky out the mud. 5 watches playing 3 flood. Nigga won't smoke, it's all love. Nigga won't smoke, it's all love. Don't get it twisted, I still keep it on me. I spend a whole block just cause. Young nigga, please don't do it. Shit get sticky like mud. 5 watch playing 3 flood. Ain't got time, but I got time today. I ain't even going for me more. Buckshot straight slow. I got blue tips in this gun. Ain't even going for none. 12 years quality I run. Young nigga fresh out on bun. Ain't got time, but I got time today. When you see me, please don't judge. In the bando, I hated starving.
In the trenches, I had to rob them. Sending and spinning and shooting carbon. They go body for body, coffin for coffin. She gon' dive in my water just like a dolphin. Pull up in Ferrari, see the balls in him. Bitch nigga, we don't even rock with them. One life to live, can't pause the film. Hey, what's your name, baby? I can see it in your eyes, you been through pain, baby. I can tell I make it shy, I'm not a lame, baby. Get money and I get high on private planes lately. 2 times to get to spinning till they feel lazy. Twinkle, twinkle, yellow diamonds like I urinated. I done been in situation, never cooperated. We can always have a talk.
Cash Money Records taking over for the 99 in the 2000s. Girl, you're working with some bag, yeah. This fat, yeah. Make it want to spend his cash, yeah. His last, yeah. Girls proud when you pass, yeah. They mad, yeah. You could ride in the Jag, yeah. With that, yeah. You could smoke up by your bag, yeah. A grass, yeah. Got money I can flash, yeah. And trash, yeah. I'm a bitch, I'm a player, yeah. Gun spray, yeah. A clear head, a flipper, yeah. Glad Billy, yeah. Like I be slinging wood, yeah. I'm out the hood, yeah. Let it be understood, yeah. It's all good, yeah. Got a dance, give me Lord, yeah. On the hard, yeah. You a smooth and broad, yeah. I want to draw, yeah. Hope you can do a trick, yeah. On the stick, yeah. You claiming you wanna fit, yeah. That ain't it, yeah. I'm the daddy with the money, yeah. Don't act funny, yeah. Got birds and I'm running, yeah. About 100, yeah. Girl, you look good, want you back that thing up. You a big fine woman, want you back that thing up. Call me Big Daddy when you back that thing up. Girl, who is you playing with? Back that thing up. Girl, you look good, want you back that thing up. You a big fine woman, want you back that thing up. Call me Big Daddy when you back that thing up. Girl, who is you playing with? Back that thing up. Girl, you look good, want you back that thing up. You a big fine woman, want you back that thing up. You gotta flip it back, yeah. Make me laugh, yeah. Make a player wanna grab, yeah. Autograph, yeah. I'm sweating in the drawers, yeah. Hard log, yeah. Wanna walk it like a dog, yeah. Break you off, yeah. Get mine, you don't get yours, yeah. That for sure, yeah. You're messing with my nerves, yeah. To the curb, yeah. I know you women know, yeah. Ain't it show, yeah. But the truth, we got some more, yeah. I'm about to flow, yeah. Frank bought the beach, yeah. For the street, yeah. We be making heat, yeah. After heat, yeah. The chest sitting nice, yeah. I wanna write, yeah. I can hit it right, yeah. All night, yeah. Wanna bring it to my house, yeah. On the couch, yeah. Knock the out, yeah. Get your mouth, yeah. I wanna see a show, yeah. Bend it low, yeah. Let me run it in the hole, yeah. Make me know, yeah. Girl, you look good, want you back that thing up. You's a big fine woman, want you back that thing up. Call me Big Daddy when you back that thing up. Girl, who is you playing with? Back that thing up. Girl, you look good, want you back that thing up. You's a big fine woman, want you back that thing up. Call me Big Daddy when you back that thing up. Girl, who is you playing with? Back that thing up.
I know you can't stand it, stick bandit, done landed, see the draws handed, kitty go get it y'all, game spit it y'all, put the broad on the wall, then I hit it y'all, feeling kinda lonely, I'm feeling honey, put the piece in the middle like Monet, get sick plumber chick, in a Hummer chick, beat the what like a drummer chick, see that putty cat, look at that, I love a little hoodie rat, that's a fact, you's a big fine hit it girl, quit it girl, I'm the brother, the hit it girl.
Hey man, my real niggas in this motherfucker, man. You feel me? Do the real nigga walk through for me, hey. I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunning what you saying when I walk through. I got all these hoes staring when I walk through. I done made a few bands on the walk through. Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? I done made a few bands on the walk through. I done made a few bands on the walk through. People don't know now, don't talk to. Me and Parliament in big, he a boss too. Sitting at the round table making boss moves. I done walk through with Gucci on my feet. Who got more money, you or me? I'ma walk through usually with my nigga, better believe that I got the tool on me. I done snuck past security. What the fuck do you need glasses just to see me? When I'm coming full speed, got that V12 running, and I'ma jump the fence if I see 12 coming. Even if I were blind, I could still smell money. I can't trust no outside niggas, they could tell them I'm the alphabet boy, cause I keep a L on me. I smoke good, throwing up my set in your hood, nigga. I be feeling like the man when I walk through. I ain't stunning what you saying when I walk through. I got all these hoes staring when I walk through. I done made a few bands on the walk through. Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? Watch me, hey, why me walk through? I done made a few bands on the walk through.
Yeah. It's money over here, what you thought, clown? Play crazy while you high, had you knocked down. No frowns round here, bro, we all smiles. Giuseppe just dropped, got all style.
found out a nigga got shot. Heard a nigga drew down and he bucked so his ass got popped. We was on my block tryna move these rocks. Tryna stack this cash on the low, gotta duck these cops. We was right off 3rd and Pollock, chillin' in the back of the tracks. Niggas got packs tryna get them racks. X5, I was riding in the back with the brothers fried chicken and the cat in my lap. 17, had no dreams, drinking 4 locos, writing codeine. First class, I was on lean. Said fuck high school, so I left free. No one told me life would be this way. I swear nobody told me. Yes, this is the game we chose to play. Crazy how it's always been the same. People dying every day. That ain't nothing new when you from downtown. Over in the east, last thing that he heard 6 shots. He ain't getting no.
Hey, hey, yo, Sap, what's good, bruh? This man's kinda high out here. Hey, yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room, yeah, you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out here locally. Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now, I'm at my house, on the couch, watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the subject of discussion. But it's nothing when you stop and just say fuck it. Cause you walking out in public and you hear him talking rubbish. I just wanna ride through the city in a cutlass. Find a big butt, bitch, somewhere get my nuts kissed. That's the way it goes when you party just like I do. Bitches on my dick that used to brush me off in high school. Take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? Take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have in A&R. We gon' win, you can take the lose or draw. What I'm in, got these hoes who used to play me in they bras. We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. Take over the world, watch these haters get mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have. Hop into the car and then we take them to the pad. It's so bad. And motherfuckers think they know me, but they never met the kid. Style come with excellence and money make benevolence irrelevant for the fuckers who never been intelligent. I kill my Henny, break the bottle for the hell of it. Tell a bitch that she better bring her friends. And if she want an autograph, she better bring a pen. Yeah, the party never end. This life is what I recommend. And if you gotta hope it for me, then she better be a 10. I ain't picky, but these girls be acting tricky when the situation's sticky and the liquor got them silly. But I take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have in A&R. We gon' win, you can take the lose or draw. What I'm in, got these hoes who used to play me in they bras. We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. Take over the world, watch these haters get mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have. Hop into the car and then we...
Microphone checker, swinging sword lecture, closing down the sector, supreme neck protector. Lester, better want him, kid, Mr. Mepsa. Ballin' pop, bout to blow his lid from the pressure. Too hot for TV, for cheesy. Too many wanna be hard, be easy. It's all in together, going all out together. It don't take much to please me. Still, homes are never satisfied like the Stones. We don't condone writing, see them selling crossbones. Protecting what I'm writing, don't clash with the Titan who blast with a license to kill rap recitants. Come on, in the zone with your nigga from the group home to Cal.
Fuck your lifestyle.
Put your lights out, get this shit to crackin', got you feeling with your pipes out. Time for some action. Surfing the avenue, mad at you, where I used to battle cruise. Back when Antoinette had that attitude. Cover me, I'm going in, walls closing in. Got us busting off these pistols, my niggas got issues again. Same song, armed with the mega bomb. Blow you out the frame, then I'm gone.
Yo, I was going too, but we roam. Cellular phones, dot meth, back in the flesh, blood and bones, don't condone. Spin bank loans and homegrown. Suckers break like turbo and